Today we introduce the Rotary marking machine.
给你调高一点。
可以，调高一点。
坐在那个地方，它就这样子。
Today we introduce the door pin marking machine. In our company, many have two kinds of door pin marking machine. Hello. 有人进来吗？
有人进来了。
Hello, dear friend. I'm Candy. Today we introduce our door pin marking machine. In our company, there are two kinds of door pin marking machine. The first kind is for flat one, and another is for round object. In back of me, you can see there are many different models. And for the flat door pin marking machine, you can mark on the metal plate. Like this model. You can see from here we can adjust the door pin marking machine, the marking height. So and here place the name plate or the working piece. So this model is suited for the flat materials. Okay, hello. Welcome to our living show. Well, today we introduce the door pin marking machine. And if you have any questions about our machine, kindly please send us a message. We will give you answer. The first model is this flat door pin marking machine. And you can see this model here can adjust the marking height. And this kind of machine is either connect the air to drive it. Here you can see the air pipe. So this kind of machine can mark very deep on metal. Our machine deep can reach to 2 millimeters. And our door pin marking machine is very simple to operate. Just press this button to turn on the machine. And for the control we have two options. Let us have a look. And the first one is this touch screen control wheel. And with it, you don't need a computer. So just directly, the software will have installed into the touch screen. So you can just click on the touch screen. It's very convenient. And you can see another one is the control cabinet. Cabinet. You can see the cabinet model, you need to connect with the computer. So we will send you the software, and you install the software with your computer. So before shipment, our engineer will adjust the parameter. So once you get the machine, you can directly to install the software, and we will send you the parameter to adjust the machine. Okay. Okay, just now have introduced the flat model, and we have also the rotary model. 看不出来，我这个能挪动吗？
可以啊，可以挪。你可以挪，你自己拿过来。
哎呀，弄了这个，这个要画个层那里。尴尬呀。And our doping machine was working on the round object. Here you can see the rotary head. So our machine can use this rotary head to mark on for you. If you have any questions, just please send me the question and I will answer you here. Okay, now today we introduce the doping mark machine. As you can see, in our factory, there are different doping mark machine models. The most popular one is this model. This model is PQD 100. PQD 100. This model can control with the LCD touch screen. You can install the software with your computer. We will send you the software together with the machine. So it's also very, very simple for you. Together with the machine, we will send you the training video in full English language. This machine is very durable and stable performance. So we have sold many pieces of this kind of machine to all over the world. If you have any questions or any inquiry, just feel free to send us, and we will give you answer as soon. Now you can see this doping mark machine is working with a flat work table as no rotary head. Then this one is mainly used for making a flat metal, such as carbon steel, stainless steel, and brass, copper, etc. All kinds of metal can mark with it. And the mark dippers reach to 2 millimeters dips. If you have any questions about this model, just feel free to send us the question, and we will give you answer as soon as possible.
水不能就随便拿称啊。我到了我肯定心里有数啊。
And now you can see there is a rotary head, and the outdoor pin mark machine also can work with this rotary. Our model PQD 100E. This model, PQD 100, not 100, it's the PQD 025. This model is rotary model. It can both mark on the flat metal and the round objects. So it's very widely used, not only on the flat surface, but also on the round object. Okay, if you have any questions, just free to send us. For the machine control method, there are two options. The first option is this LCD touchscreen. LCD touchscreen, you can see, it's also very simple to operate. Here, there is the power switch. Just need to turn on this switch, and the software has installed into the LCD touchscreen and don't need the computer. And there is another option is the control cabin. Control cabin is this one. And it's also with it. There is a power switch. Just need to turn on the switch or turn off the switch. This model controlled with the cabin. We will send you the software, and then you install the software with your computer. So this model need to connect with your computer. And the software, the language, English language. So you don't need to worry about the language problem. And now I want to introduce our very popular portable dropping machine. Is this it's a portable model. It's mainly used to mark the chassis, the VIN number. Because it's very portable to lift, and so it can mark on a large object or on the car or truck to mark the VIN number. And the VIN number, the standard length is 135 millimeters. This one, the markings, the working arrow markings is 135 millimeters. And we also have the larger working arrow. Larger working arrow model to 150 millimeters. Also, we have 200 millimeters. millimeters options. So if you don't know how to choose the right side of the working arrow, just free to send us inquiry in our living show, so we can give you solution, and we can suggest you the best working arrow. Okay, for this kind of desktop machine, we have working arrow options. The standard working arrow is 115 and 100 millimeters. And we also have 200 and 300 millimeters. 200 and 300 millimeters, and 400 and 300 millimeters. So you can choose the best working arrow according to your working piece size. This kind of machine is very stable performance, because the structure is very compact, and you can see just need to adjust the marking height here, and it's a handle adjuster, and here you can change the marking height according to your working piece, the thickness. Okay, if you have any questions about our working, just please send us the question, and we will give you answer right now. Hello, welcome to our living show. If you have any questions or any interest in our machine, no matter which model, just feel free to send us the question. Now, I would like to introduce our company. Our company located in Wuhan City, China, and our company started in 1995, and till now we have 27 years old experience. So we have a professional working team, and we can offer you the timely service and a very stable performance machine. So it's the most important 2 key points we can offer to you, our customers. And today we introduce this dual marking machine. This machine we have experienced in this field for over 20 years. So it's very, very stable. And for the price, we also it's very competitive price in the market. So you can totally trust us and buy this kind of machine from our company. For this kind of machine, we have different models for you to choose according to your working demand. So if you don't know how to choose the machine, just for free to send us inquiry in our website or the Alibaba platform, so you can get the very timely answer from our salesperson. Thank you so much. And for our company, we have got many certificates. Okay, I would like to show you the certificates. And the first one is this CE certificates. So with these certificates, we can export our machine to all over the world, especially to the European countries. We have exported many set of machines to European countries. And those certificate. If you want a copy of this certificate, just for free to talk us in the living show or in the Alibaba platform, send us the inquiry, and we will give you this copy. Also, you can see this Alibaba give us this certificate. We are the garden supply in Alibaba, and Alibaba is very famous platform in China. So we are the very old customer of Alibaba. And we have 15 years garden supply. So we are very reliable partner of you. If you have any questions about our dropin machine, just free to give us your question. Hello everyone. Today we introduce the dual-pin marking machine, and in our company, there are many different kinds of dual-pin marking machine model, and the very basic model is this PQD 100 and the PQD 100E. The two models difference that's in the control way. We see in the model control is LCD touch screen. For the screen, you can have a look. It's this LCD touch screen. And this touch screen language is for English language. And it's very simple to sample to control. And here there is a power switch. And turn on the power switch, you can enter into the software. The software, the parameter we have adjusted before shipped to you, so you can directly use the machine. Just need to connect with your electricity. Don't need to install software by yourself. And another control is the control cabinet. Control cabinet. This control is very stable because we have had it for over 20 years. It's very stable. And for this control, we will send you the software, and you install our professional marking software with your computer. The software is free to use for lifetime. But before shipment, our engineer will adjust the software parameters also for you. Same with the LCD touchscreen model. If you have any questions about this tool control method, just feel free to send us your message. And for this model, for this flat model, PQD 100 is mainly for the flatter workpiece. Flat workpiece, and you can see here you can adjust the marking height according to your working piece thickness. And if your workpiece is very thick, and it can adjust here to lifting the height. If the working piece is thin, not very thick, and you can just pull down the height of the machine. And this machine PQD 100, you can also set this model on our website. You can search this model also on Google, our website. And if you have any questions, and if you want to know its actual price, door to door to your factory, and you just send us your detailed address so we can calculate the total amount of the machine and send you the details. Besides machine, we also have many reliable shipping companies. We have many reliable shipping partners, so we can get a very good price shipping to all over the world, door to door, or to your seaport, or any way you would like to choose, and just for free to tell us. And another model is PQD 025 and PQD 025E. This model is the difference with PQD 100 is the Rotary. It's the Rotary. You can see the Rotary marking here. This Rotary, the size is can reach to 160 millimeter. This Rotary size can reach to 160 millimeter. And if you want a larger size of the Rotary, we have another model is PQD 20 PQD 250. And the later model, we can make a Rotary size to 300 millimeter. Okay, if you have any questions, just feel free to ask us, and we can give you answer. And our door-to mark machine is very portable model. It's very easy to lift. It's a PQD static. The standard working arrow is 135 millimeter. And this machine is mainly used to mark the VIN number on car, truck, any large object. It's very, very small, so it's very easy to handle it. If you have any questions, just free to ask us. For this very small model, the shipping cost is also very good. We can directly send it by DHL to your factory, to your door. It's very, very quickly for you to receive the machine. Don't need to wait for too long time. And for this model, we also have an other working arrow size for you to choose. Okay, and let me give you have a look.
我这3个拖起来，我不摆了。
不可能摆不上，主要说摆摆好。
上晚去晚上
2厘米可以搞走了。
And this also a very portable model, but it's larger than this size. This size, the standard size of this model is 150 and 100 millimeters. So the working length is longer than this size, in this model. So if you want a longer number to mark, you can choose this size. Okay, and besides the 150 millimeter, we also have 200 millimeter, the handheld model. And this model also can control with the LCD touchscreen. What control is the control cabinet. You can choose any way you like. For this LCD touchscreen, and you can we have installed the software with the LCD touchscreen, so you don't need to install the software by yourself. You just need to connect electricity once you receive our machine. It's very simple. It's very convenient for you to operate. Hello, hello, Vic. If you have any questions or have interest in any model of our door-pin marking machine, just free to send us your inquiry in the living show or in our website or on the Alibaba platform, and we can give you a timely answer. Our company located in Wuhan City, China, so we can ship our machine to any country. We have been in this machinery field for over 20 years, so we have rich experience in this field. So don't need to worry about if we can ship to your country or not. We are sure we can ship to any country, no matter which country you're from. Okay, and for this kind of very small, very portable machine model, we can directly send to your factory or to your door. So you don't need to pick up the machine from seaport. Just same with your buying the machine in your country, your local. So it's very quickly. Around 5 to 7 days, you can receive our machine. Hello, if you have any questions, just free to send us your message. Today we introduce door-pin marking machine. It's very popular machine in our factory, and we have sent this machine to many countries, and such as Brazil, Spain, UK, and many countries. So just for free to send us your country address, and we can check the detailed cost for you. For this door-pin marking machine, we have many different models for you to choose. Here you can see this very popular model is PQD 100 and the PQD 100E. We see this with LCD touch screen, and with the LCD touch screen, you don't need to connect with your computer, computer free. So just need to operate the software on the LCD touch screen. For this model, it's very simple to operate. Here you can see there is the handle lifting the wheels, and here you can adjust the machine height here, and on the machine there is on or off switch. when you're ready to work, and just need to press this button. And when you finish work, just press it. It's very suitable to mark any metals, such as nameplate, in stainless steel, and the carbon steel, or brass, or any kind of metals. You can choose this model to mark. The kind of machine is driven by the, so it has it's very powerful to mark dips on all kinds of metals. You can see okay, you can see this air pipe, and this end connector with our machine, and another end connector with the air compressor. So you can use a very common air machine to run our machine. And we also have a pure electricity marking machine. If you don't have to mark very thick working piece, you can choose the pure electricity doping marking machine. If you want us to recommend you the very suitable doping marking machine, just give us your working requirement, and give us your working piece sample picture, and we will know which machine is most suitable your work, and we can introduce you the details of the machine and the price of the machine, and give you our best offer. Okay, and this kind of doping machine in our factory, with also can mark on a round object, like this kind of round object. This kind of round object, and feature the round object here, like this. Use it, and it's to mark on the round object. And the rotary marking head, this marking head, the size can reach to 160 millimeters. This rotary size reach to 160 millimeters. And if you have other larger round object to mark, and we also have another very large rotary doping machine model. It's PQD 250. Hello, welcome to our living show. And if you want larger rotary marking head, we have another model. And our largest model, the rotary size can reach to 300 millimeters. 300 millimeters. And it can bear above to 100 kilogram. So, thank you. And here, if you have any questions, just free to send us a message, and I will give you an answer. And for our machine, the quality is very good quality, and we can give you before it's 12 before it's 12 months warranty. Now we can if you buy our machine in this month, we can give you 24 months quality warranty, and the machine is very durable quality, and you can use for many years. So 24 months warranty, we are very confident. And for this kind of machine, we have two kind of pin size for you to choose. And we can give you suggestion about the pin size according to the marking effective on your working piece. We have 10 millimeter and 3 millimeter pins, and 15 millimeter and 3 millimeter, and 20 millimeter and 5 millimeter, three kinds of pin size. So if you are not sure about the working effective on your working piece, and we can give you 3 different working pins to have a try on your working piece. Hello. Today we introduce our door pin marking machine, and in our factory we have many different kinds of door pin marking machine, and in this machine we have rich experience for over 20 years, so it's very stable to use it. One machine can use for many years will not damage. The only consumables is the working piece, pins. The pins, the hardest is reached to HRA 92. So it's one piece is also very durable to use. Very durable to use together with the machine. We can also give you the enough quantity pins to use. One pin, if you use good, one pin can use 2 to 3 years, no problem. On this kind of machine, we have different models. The base model, this model, in the video, this model is PQD100 and PQD100E. The difference is the control way. We see the model is controlled with the LCD touch screen. The touch screen, you can have a look. You can have a look in the LCD touch screen. Is very compact design, and in the control cabinet is touch screen. We have already installed the software, so you don't need to install software by yourself. You just need to connect the electricity to use it. Before ship, we will adjust the software. We will adjust the software for you and keep the best parameters. And for the machine quality, we can give you 24 months quality guarantee. In this month, if you buy our machine, we can extend our guarantee period to 24 months. It was 12 months. So now if you can place order, we can extend our quality warranty to 24 months. During the warranty, any parts damage, we can send a free for replacement. If you have any question about our machine or about this point, and you can send us your message, no matter in the living show or on our website. You can search our website from Google or send us a message on Alibaba or any platform or in our living showroom right now, and we can give you timely answer. For our door pin mark machine, except for my flat working piece, it also can mark on the round object, like this round object. The sample, marking sample, is very clean. It's very clean. And the mark tips is deep. The marking effective is good. It's very good. You can also send us sample to test if you are not sure about your material. But we are sure on any kind of metal, it can use our door pin marking machine, because the pin hardness is very high to HRA 92. Here you can have a look. It's a larger size door peen machine. This size the door peen machine working arrow. This machine the working arrow is 400 and 200 millimeter.刘师傅，这个大的是多大的
300乘400，200乘300。
？300乘400不还大些？
对，200乘300。
Okay, our engineer told this machine the working arrow is 300 and 200 millimeters. The largest working arrow we can make to 400 and 300 millimeters. This one is 300 and 200 millimeters. And the standard working arrow is 150 and 100 millimeter. The working arrow size you choose machine is according to your marking content. If your workpiece is around 400 and 400 is reached to 400, but the marking content is just 100 millimeter. You just need 150 millimeter. The standard working arrow machine is according to your marking content. Marking content and the size to choose the machine size. This one is 300 and 200 millimeters. If you have any questions about our door peen machine, just free to send us your question and we can give you an answer.
我小没进去了，把我小的关起，这个会卡住了。那把它闭起来要开门。
And here you can see two machine. It's two machines the same working arrow. One machine marking her the place is different. Just need to adjust this handle. The handle adjust to adjust the marking here. The marking here in the height is according to the working piece the thickness. And if you have a very thick working piece, very thick work piece, and you need to lifting the marking head higher. And if the working piece is thin, just like a nameplate.
看看为什么别人就不送我。
Like a nameplate is very thin. The working piece, and you may need just need to lower the marking head. If you have any questions about the door pin marking machine usage, you can just send us your questions in the even show or from our website. Or from our website, you can search out our website from Google or on Alibaba or on any platform of our company. And for the machine, the quality warranty, and we can extend the period to 24 months. Because the machine, the quality is very good. Many customers have used our machine for over 8 to 10 years, and it still can work very good. Hi. Nice to meet you. If you have any question, just send us a message, and we can give you timely answer. Okay, today we introduce is the door pin marking machine. We have different kinds of model in door pin marking machine. Our door pin marking machine is driving with air and connect with electricity. Because it's driven by air, so the marking depths can reach to 2 millimeters. It's very deep, and it's very easy to operate. Okay, you can have a look at the air pipe here. It's in the connect with our marking machine, and another end connect with the air machine. The air machine you can buy locally or use your own air machine. Is a common machine. Make a sample. Okay, you can. We can send you our sample video. Just if us your WhatsApp or something email address. We can contact you soon. We have many sample video to share with you because we have produced series machine for many years, and we have tested many times the sample. We have documents kept in our company, so our salesman means sample law. Okay, but 你说有个人说要现在打样，我说我要发给你那个，
我就发视频就可以，就现在就打。
他说我意思要你现在打，
现在打什么东西？
我不要你。
你可以。
Okay, because we can appoint another time to make a sample for you. Okay, because now our engineer is busy with other machine a sample, and later we can make your sample, and you can offer us your sample fill, and we can mark the content as your requirement. Okay. Okay, and you can tell us your working arrow and what size your marking content. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your understand. Okay, and this machine, the working arrow is optional. And this large working arrow is 300 millimeter and 200 millimeter. Our standard working arrow is 150 and 200 millimeter. This model is standard model. Okay, the model, the working arrow size choose according to your marking content, the size. If your marking content is within 150 and 100 millimeter, you can choose the standard model. This model, the weight also very light, so you can get our machine directly to your factory by express company. Just 5 to 7 days, you can receive our machine in your factory. We can send this machine to your factory by express. And today we also introduce this sample. This very portable small machine. This machine, the working arrow is 135. 135. The working arrow is very portable to use. Because it's very portable, so it's very suitable to okay, I show you this. Can you see it? It's a portable handheld machine. This machine is used to many used to mark how can you see it. Okay. This small machine under this small 2 foot, this side and this side is magnet, and it can absorb on the working piece, absorb on the large rubber object, metal object, and it can mark on any very large workpiece because the machine, this head is very light to lifting it. So you can use it to mark anywhere. And the electricity, the length is reached to 5 meters. So you can take this machine to any place in your factory or outside of the factory to use it. Because the size and the light is very easy, very easy to handle it. it's very simple to operate. And together with the machine, we will send you the training video, and professional software and use manual to teach you. Okay, cool. Thank you. And together with the machine, we will send you use manual, and you can learn to use it very quickly. And it's very simple. So you won't take a long time to use it, to learn it. Okay, this machine the electricity。你是吧？那个5米长的是什么？那是电缆是吧？电线。Okay, the 5 meters is the electricity cable. Electricity cable reach to 5 meters, so it's very portable to mark anywhere in your factory or anywhere outside the factory. Our many customers bought this machine to mark the VIN number on the truck, on the car, or mark on very large and heavy equipment. Mark any content you want, just like VIN number, serious number, and any logo, anything you want to mark can use this very portable Rotary machine. And this is the smallest size. The marking here is just around 3 kilogram. It's very easy to use it. And you can see just now I can lift it very easy. And if you want a larger size, we have this one. We have this one. This one, the marking arrow is 150 and 100. This one is larger size. If you want to mark a larger content of on the metal, around within 150. Within 150, you can choose this model. You can choose this larger one. You can choose this larger one to use. And the max working arrow can reach to 200 millimeter. 200 millimeter. This model. 3 size options. The standard one is this smaller portable size is 135 millimeter, and this one is 150 millimeter. And for the machine quality is very good, and it was 12 months quality warranty, and now in this month we can extend the quality period to 24 months, because we are very confident we have confidence in our machine quality. We have been in the marking machinery field for over 20 years. So our machine, the quality is very good. If you have any questions, just send me message. I will try to answer you in our living showroom. Okay, for the most popular model in our factory is this PQD 100 and the PQD 100E. Because this model is very widely used in all kinds of metals. As you see on this model, is suitable to mark on a flat surface. So on all kinds of flat surface working piece, you can choose this model. And this model also can mark on the round object. On the round object is the model PQD 025. And this you can see this laser marking rotary here. And this rotary can work together with our machine. So it also can use to mark round object like this. Like this. Hi. Can mark on this. You can see the marking effective. It's clean. And on this kind of round object is with rotary head to mark it. Rotary head is this rotary head can work together with our machine. And in our software, there is a rotary function, so it can automatic rotary with the working piece. It's very easy. It's very easy to operate. If you have any questions, just free to send me message. I will give you answer in the living show. Our door pin mark machine is driving with the air, so you need a conductor. Our machine with air compression machine, so it can mark very deep on metals. The deepest reach to 2 millimeters. No matter on stainless steel or aluminum or copper or brass, any kind of metals, the door pin marking machine can mark very, very deep. Yes, there is a 3D printer. We have a 3D printer laser machine. You want a laser machine? You can send us your working demands and send us pictures so we can recommend you the suit machine. Because except for the door pin machine, we have many kinds of other models like a laser machine. Laser machine is advanced technology. We also have it. You can send us the marking effective, printer effective, and then we will know what kind of machine most suitable will work. Okay, thank you for your cooperation. Okay, today we introduce this door pin machine. Door pin machine. The marking effective. It's work with pins. You can see here. You can see here. This machine is working with the pins, with a pin. So the marking effective is directly marked on the workpiece surface. On the surface, the marking effective like this is direct right on the workpiece. And we also have laser printer, laser marking machine. So what kind of marking effective you want? And we will introduce you the most suitable machine. Hello everyone. Today we introduce the door pin mark machine. This machine, the work performance is very stable, and the quality is very good. One machine can use to above 10 years, no problem. And this machine we can directly send to your factory. Door to door, and don't need you to pay extra fees. We can directly send to your door. And you just need to give us your address or same size. We can customize the size according to your working demand. This kind of door pin mark machine, this machine PQD 100. The standard working size is 150 and 100 millimeter. And what size machine you want, and you just need send us your working demand, and we can give you the best solution, working error. Okay. And this size as you see, this size the working arrow is 300 millimeter and 200 millimeter. This size is larger. It's larger size. Okay, thank you. The standard size and the customer size. Generally, three size is very popular. The standard size is most popular. Standard size is 150 and 100 millimeter. Second is this 300 and 200 millimeter. And we have larger size to 400 millimeter and 300 millimeter. And for the size of the pins also different. And we have 3 kinds of different pin size. We have 10 millimeter and 3 millimeter. This machine, the most suitable standard pin size is 50. Is 15 millimeter and 3 millimeter. And then the pin size choose according to your marking effective. And if you you are not sure about the marking effective on your workpiece, and we can give you the pin size, each size to you, and you can have a try to look which pin size most is best to you, and later you can purchase more pins for your machine. And this is the marking arrow. Marking arrow is 150 and 100 millimeter. This is the standard size of the machine. And this machine, the gross weight after package is around 50 kilogram. So we can directly send to your factory by DHL. And so that you don't need to wait too long time to receive our machine. Just 5 to 7 days after departure. It's very quickly, just like by machine in your country.
这只是就留给你了。1号工位，到时候给你搞到工具，再搞工具箱。你说是不是？2号工位，然后1号。
And for our machine quality, this machine the quality is very good. And many customers have used for 10 years, and the machine is still working very good. So because we have confidence in our machine quality, so now we can extend the quality warranty to 24 months. It's 2 years. 2 years. So you don't need to. You can just assure the machine quality, because we have produced and sold this door pin machine for over 20 years. It's very simple to operate and ready to ship, because as you see, we have a machine in stock in our factory, and we can directly use DHL send to your factory, so you don't need to wait for too long time, just around 5 to 7 days. You can receive our machine. And before ship to you, our engineer will adjust your machine, and we will the inspection video and pictures, and the package picture and the tracking number to you, and so you don't need to. You can check out the order process. It's very good way to buy our machine. And for you, for help you to choose the best based the working arrow, based the pin size. You just need to ask your working requirement and the marking effective, so that you can get a timely answer about which model and which size to use. Because we have rich experience in each model, so. Nhiều cũng đã. Đây rồi. Sao?
可算你。
Okay, hello everyone. If you have any questions, just send your questions in our living show. I will give you answer. Okay, today we introduce the dot pin marking machine, and we have many different models in our factory. Okay. And this basic model is PQD100 and PQD100E. The difference with these two models is the control wheel. And we see it's controlled with the LCD touch screen. You can see this LCD touch screen is just a laser power switch, and here is the touch screen and the directly operate the software and the additional content on the touch screen. Don't need to use any computer, just control on the LCD touch screen. And there is another way is control with the cabinet. Cabinet, as you see, this is the control cabinet. This is the control cabinet. That is a medical. Yes, we have this marking machine. Just please send your working requirements and or the machine requirements in our living show. Our person will contact you to offer you details soon. Okay. Hello. Welcome. Laser medical. You can give us a sample picture of the working effective for the working piece, so that we can give you our best suggestion, and we will see if we have the right machine to meet your demand. Okay. Okay. Hello. Welcome. Okay. You're welcome. Okay. Today we introduce is the dot pin marking machine. Dot pin marking machine. The working way is with a pin. With a pin here, you can see. With a pin here, and the working method is directly. is directly right on the workpiece. This is round workpiece. This is around the workpiece. Need a rotary to feature this workpiece. And then this kind of machine is directly use the pin. So this the pin just like a pen to write on the workpiece. The advantage of this machine is it can mark very, very deep on the metal. What kinds of metal? The max depth can reach to 2 millimeter. Yes, on metal. Yes, correct. It's on metal. What kinds of metals? And if medical, you just told medical tools. The laser machine is most suitable to mark on medical tools. Okay, just send us a sample the medical tools or anything you would like to see, so that we know which machine is most suitable your work. Okay, today the machine is door pin marking machine. And this machine, we have different models. This model is PQD100 and the PQD100E. We see it's the control with LCD touchscreen. This machine working arrow is 300 millimeter and 200 millimeter. The working arrow, the size is optional. The standard working arrow is 150 and 100 like this one. This is the standard working arrow size machine. This is PQD100 and PQD100E. The marking head and the machine appearance all see in this way. This is the LCD touchscreen. Touchscreen, the usage is installed in the software with the LCD, so you don't need to connect your computer. Software have installed with the LCD, so you just need to connect the electricity to use our machine. Don't need to connect to your computer. And another way is to connect your computer. It's the cabinet. It's cabinet. On the cabinet there is a power switch, and we will also send our professional marking software together with our machine. Once you receive our machine, you need to install the software with your computer. So you can choose according to your working demand. For the machine quality, the quality is very, very good. And it was 12 months quality warranty. And in this month, we offer 24 months quality warranty. During warranty, if any parts need a replacement, we will send a free parts for replacement. Because we have enough confidence in our machine quality, so we can extend the period to 24 months. outdoor pin marking machine. This is driving with air compression machine, and you can see here there is a air pipe, and this can connector with our machine, and another end is connector with air machine. So this machine can mark very deep on metals. What kinds of metals? We also have a few electricity drive machine. If you don't have to mark on round object, if you don't need to mark on this kind of round object, just on this kind of thin nameplate. If you just need a mark on this kind of plate, and we also have electricity model, dolphin model. So if you just mark on this kind of flat thin metal, you can choose this dolphin machine or choose the electricity dolphin machine. You also can log in our website from Google to see what kinds of models. Choose any model you have interest, or if you have any questions about our model, just send your question to us. We will give you answer. Now I show you our certificate. This is CE certificate. So our machine have exported to over 180 countries, to Europe, to Africa, to Middle East, to Asia, to many countries. We can directly send to together, work together with us. There are many professional shipping company, our partner. So you don't need to worry about the shipping problem. And we have a professional document department. So for customer, we can choose the best way for you to receive our machine safely. Today, the main rule is the dolphin marking machine. This machine is working with the pins. Working with the pins, you can see the pins. The hardness is very high. The hardness reaches to HRA 92. So it can directly work on any kinds of metals. Any kinds of metals can work with our dolphin machine. Don't need to worry about your working material. The hardness, no matter how hard, our machine can work on it. If you have any questions, just free to send us. On the double peen machine, it also can mark on the flange. Flange in that case, the marking effective is very good. You can see the dips also very good. The marking dips, it can adjust according to your marking material. The marking dips is adjust because in our software you can choose the marking mode.
要找人的，你不能说完以后。
我跟你说，我说你是不是很直面的？要往左拐，然后身体往右，往左压，是不是？
我这体重不够。压弯。
The marking effective is very good. You can have a look.
来，我们俩来。
我这3家一个不用我们看。好事。
On this flange, we will suggest the PQD 025 because it's a round metal. It's a round metal. So need a rotary feature to feature this round object. Our rotary size reach to 160 millimeter. And if you have a larger rotary size, you can choose our null model PQD 250. And that model, the rotary size can reach to 300 millimeter. If you have any questions about our models, just free to send us your question. Here you can see this portable model.
我预估的35年成来34。
It's portable model. It's very easy to handle it. So it's very convenient to mark what kinds of large equipment or large object. Most customers bought this machine to mark car or truck the VIN number. Hello everyone, today we introduce the dollar peen marking machine. This dollar peen marking machine is very popular in our factory because it has very stable performance and it can mark on what kinds of metals. because it use the marking pins. The pins hardness reach to HRA 92. It can mark very deep on what kinds of metals, such as stainless steel, carbon steel, copper, brass, what kinds of metals. And it can mark on flat metals and round metals, what kinds of shape metals. This model PQD 100 is best selling in our factory. It's best selling in our factory because it's very easy to adjust the marking head. The marking head, so we can work on different thickness workpiece. If unsick object, just lifting the marking head and the height to higher here or here to adjust just with this handle. And if the on the thin plate, on this kind of thin plate, just lower the marking head. It's very widely used on what kinds of products. This machine also can work on round object. It's kind of round pipe, round flange, round pipe, round flange also can mark with this machine because it has a rotary marking head. It has a rotary marking head.
这时候你跟他那个吃饱了，别人还免费的，是不是？这是什么个？主要打完直肠直
The
肠。
marking head, the size can reach to 160 millimeter. So if you know the workpiece diameters is within this size 160 millimeter, you can choose to use this marking head. This marking head. So with this marking head, you can work on flat metals and round metals. What kinds of metals? What kinds of metal shape? So if you don't know which model is most suitable your work, just you can consider this model. You can consider this model because it's very widely used on what kinds of shape. This model, and it's very simple to adjust the marking head. So for the machine price and for the machine specification, and you just need to send us message, and we will write your email or reply your message on Alibaba or on our any platform, and you can get our timely answer. Okay, if you can share us your sample picture, tell us your working requirement, so we can quickly show you which model is most suitable your work. Okay, and in this month, if you buy our machine, we can extend our quality warranty to 24 months, so that you can get more benefits. Okay. Okay, now today our evening show is ended now, and thanks for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.
拜拜。
拜拜了。
拜拜说的对象。